These look perfect for the sauce. Yes, they are very ripe.
Keep the line moving. We need to fill truck 3.
Watch the overflow on this side.
Keep them coming. We've got 3 more trucks waiting. Clear the bay. Rolling through.
Keep it coming. All right, stop. Tilt the bed and start the wash.
We need to speed up the auger.
Okay, increasing the RPM now.
The consistency looks perfect on this batch. Tank 7 is almost at capacity. Understood. I am slowing the intake valve now.
Is the flavor balanced now?
Yes, it's perfect. The spices are just right.
Viscosity is still reading thin on line 3.
Let's adjust the cook time slightly and recheck in 5.
It's coating the metal nicely.
Yes, the target viscosity is achieved.
We are down to a safe temperature.
Confirmed. Initiating transfer to the packaging line.
This one's off center. Okay, good now.
Alignment confirmed. The batch looks good.
The flow rate on line 3 is still fluctuating.
Adjust the enzyme concentration here. It should stabilize the viscosity.
Implementing the change now.
Ensure the count on the spicy ones is exact.
Got it. Scanning the last case now.
Okay, easy now. A little further to the back, next to the pallets already in there.
Copy that. Setting it down now.
Make sure the tomato sauce is secure before we move it.
Yes, we are wrapping this pallet now.
Bring the forklift around.
This sauce is incredible, honey. I'm so glad you like it. It simmered all afternoon.
This sauce is absolutely perfect.
You did a wonderful job, dear.